Hello everyone, myself Namrit Dubey and today I am here with very interesting topic which could help you to be wealthy. Before starting this topic, would like to say thank you for giving your love and encouraging me to make videos like this which can help you to grow in your personal as well as professional life. So let's start this topic basically. A topic it's all about financial planning. Topic it's all about how can you be wealthy by doing great financial planning. But before jumping on financial planning, important is to understand difference between accounting and financial planning. So according to me, accounting is nothing but maintaining a book. For example, if you are paying rent, then you are taking bill and you are transferring money that you are keeping in your book, that you are writing in your book. For example, if you are paying EMI, you are getting receipt. Those receipts you are maintaining and you are writing in the book saying that you have paid certain amount as a rent or as an EMI. So that's called accounting. That means you are keeping accounting of your money, tracking of your money. That's called accounting. Now, what about financial planning? Financial planning is about provisioning for futuristic cost. For example, how much money I will spend on rent after a month, how much money I will spend on EMI, how much money I will spend on my electricity units. That's called financial planning. That's called budgeting basically. So let's understand what is financial planning and how to do financial planning. According to me, financial planning is very important. It will gonna help you to understand what is your spending limit, what is where you wanna spend, how much you can spend, and if you go beyond your spending limit, then it will stop you to spend also. For financial planning, I have formula, but before understanding formula, let's understand difference between necessity expenses versus your luxury expenses. So according to me, what is necessity expenses? Necessity expenses basically those expenses which are necessary to live good and happy life. For example, paying rent is your necessary for your life. Paying home loan EMI, that is necessary for your life. Buying vegetables, that is necessary. Buying grocery, that is necessary. Paying for electricity unit, water bill, these all are necessary to live happy and good life. That means those expenses you can control but you cannot cut, you cannot avoid, called necessity or necessary expenses. So now let's understand what is luxury expense. According to me, luxury expenses are liability for anybody. Why I am saying it? Because luxury expenses means those expenses which are not necessary to live good or happy life. But yeah, sometimes it's required also. For example, if you are going out for movie, if you are going out for dinner, if you are going for outing, if you are upgrading your sofa, for example, in your living room you have sofa which you can use for 2 to 3 more years, but still you wanna upgrade, then those expenses called luxury expenses. Now let's understand formula of financial planning. It is 50, 20 and 30 principle basically. I am also using same formula in my personal life to be wealthy, to save more money for my future. Let me explain you what is 50, 20 and 30 principle. 50% of your income you have to spend or you can keep for your necessary expenses. 20% of your income you can keep for your luxury expenses, and 30% of your income you can save in various funds, for example fixed deposit, or you can keep in saving account. Let me explain you this formula, or you can say this principle with an example basically. So for example, if my earning is 100 rupees, what I will do, I will keep 50 rupees. That means 50% of my earning I will keep for necessary expenses which I can spend on rent, on EMI, on LIC, or various necessary expenses which I can pay from this amount. I cannot go beyond this 50%. I cannot go beyond 50% of my total income. Same with 20% of my income I have to keep, or I can keep for my luxury expenses. For example, if I want to go out for dinner with my wife, then I can spend, or then I can take those money for my dinner. Those particular 20% amount you have to keep for your luxury expenses. 30% you can keep for saving, which you can invest in mutual fund, which you can do as a fixed deposit, which you can keep in saving account. But two things you have to see: maximum interest from where you can get and with a minimum risk. These two things you have to keep while investing or while putting money in your account. If you do financial planning as per 50-20-30 principle, then definitely you could keep money for your tough time and you can be wealthy. Now point is how to do planning, basically how to do budgeting. Now we understood 50-20-30 principle. According to that we can do budgeting. According to that we can keep money. We can keep separate money from our income. But how to do planning? So basically what you have to do, it's a simple. You have to take one book where you can divide your income as per 50-20-30 principle, and then you should start writing where you want to spend money, how much money you can spend. After a month you have to sit and you have to write in front of your budget, you have to write actual cost. If your actual cost gone up, then you have to reanalyze why your actual cost gone up and what is the cause, so you can take action to control it. Hope you all have learned something from my video. Please do practice at your home and be wealthy. Before leaving this video, please subscribe my channel as well as please press bell icon button so that whenever I am posting this kind of videos, you are getting it on time. And if you really like this video, please hit like button so that you can encourage me. Thank you very much. See you soon.